Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your branded surveys account step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be ready to log in and start earning money through surveys. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit the Branded Surveys website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Branded Surveys official website. You can enter the URL directly into the address bar or search for Branded Surveys in your search engine. Step 2. Click on Join or Sign Up. Once you're on the home page, look for the Join or Sign Up button. Click on it to begin the registration process. Step 3. Fill out the registration form. You will see a registration form that requires some personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, email address, and create a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password for the security of your account. Step 4. Verify your email address. After submitting the registration form, check your email inbox for a verification email from Branded Surveys. Click the link in the email to verify your account. If you don't see the email within a few minutes, make sure to check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Complete your profile. Once your email is verified, log into your Branded Surveys account. You will be prompted to complete your profile. Fill out the necessary details about yourself, such as your age, gender, and interests. This information helps Branded Surveys match you with relevant surveys. Step 6. Start taking surveys. After completing your profile, you will be redirected to your dashboard. Here, you'll find available surveys that you can start taking immediately. Each survey you complete will earn you points that can be redeemed for cash or gift cards. Step 7. Cash out your earnings. As you accumulate points, you can cash them out once you reach the minimum required amount. Navigate to the rewards section in your account and choose your preferred method of payment, whether it be PayPal or gift cards. Activate your Branded Surveys account today and start earning money by sharing your opinions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more informative content like this. Thank you for watching.